All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 7,000 miles. It's beautiful white with gray vinyl interior, premium sounds. I'm sorry, AM/FM stereo system, backup camera. Only 7,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, only a little bit of damage. I'll show you guys what it is. Here's your front bumper, which looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread for this is at over 10-30 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter up top looks good. The real damage is just right here. We're gonna have to call it frame because it did go in here in the bottom little lip down there. Actually, no, it's a high hit, and this is good. And so is the inside here. So this is not frame, as I thought it was. It will not be frame, but it does have a dent here, and you need a new lower rocker molding, and that's really much it. All right, the rest looks good. Here's your rear driver side steel wheel. Your tire thread here is over 10-30 seconds. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. You jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does have an AM/FM stereo system. You get your AC controls right down below. Switch your instrument cluster. Looks like you see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 7,159. Got your backup camera. Boom. And that pretty much completes the tour from in here. Does have two key fob combos and owner's manuals. So you got pictures for more details. Keeping it moving here. Back here, it looks great. All doors look good. These doors do swing out. Not all the way, but it does swing out. This is what your inside compartment looks like. Very, very nice. Your wheel well moldings look. This car looks fresh to death inside. This door looks good. And this door looks good. Let me go get a ladder, folks. I'll be right back. And I'm back. My guy's gonna bring me a ladder. This door and molding look good. Bring me a ladder so I can show you guys what the roof looks like. This quarter here looks very nice. This sliding door looks very nice as well. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire thread is over 9-30 seconds. This is your side cargo area and what that looks like. Very nice. As I said, it's got some scratches here, but not too many. This car looks good. This truck looks really good. This door here does have a heavy scratch here, about 2 inches. That's about it. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. It does have your owner's manual in there. This fender here looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. The entire thread is gonna be over 10-30 seconds. Lights are working. Vehicle is on. Let me get that ladder. All right, folks, and we're back. Roof looks fantabulous. Everything looks great up here. So no worries, no qualms, no nothing. Thank you, comrade.
Finished?
Yes, sir. All right, my man. All right, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 7,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.